Hi everyone, today we will build an analog clock with JavaScript. Let's get started. First, we create a container class. Then we create a clock class. Write the numbers inside the label. There will be a span inside the label. We will set up the label style. We will use the values here to set the position of the numbers on the clock in CSS. Style 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then we create an indicator class. There will be hour, minute and seconds indicators in it. Span, hour, minutes and seconds. So that's all we have to do in HTML. Let's move on to CSS. I prepared the color values in advance. Margin and padding value will be 0. And box sizing, border box. Font family, Montserrat. Okay. We choose body. We use display flags to center everything on the page. And min height will be 100 width per height. There will be align items and justify content center to center vertically and horizontally. The background color will be primary color. Okay. We will add the style to the container class. We use display flags to center, align. We use the flags direction column to align it bottom by bottom and align item center to align vertically. The gap between 60 pixels. Okay. Now we are going to add style to the clock. Display flags and align item center and justify content center. The width and height will be 400 pixels. Clock will be circular. For this, the border radius will be 50%. Okay, and background. Clock color, okay, and position relative and box shadow 50 pixel, 25 pixel, and RGBA will be white and 0, 25 pixel and 45 pixel. Okay. We choose label, position absolute, inset 20 pixel, and text align center. We will adjust the position of the numbers. For this, we use transform rotate. Calculate This means multiplying the values we add to the label style by 360 degree over 12. There are 12 numbers in analog clock. Okay. Clock, label, span, display, inline block, font weight 600 and color, white color, font size 1.9 RAM, and we use transform rotates. Okay. Add a style to the indicator inside the container. Indicator, position absolute, height and width 10 pixel, and display flags and justify content center to align vertically. Now we are going to adjust this part. You see in the middle we use before, position absolute, height and width 100%, border radius 50%, and Z index, and background white, and border 4 pixel and red. Okay. Now we choose the hand class, indicator, hand, position absolute, height 130 pixel and width 4 pixel, bottom 0 and border radius 25 pixel. To round this edge, transform origin, bottom. It allows to define where the transformation will be referenced as the origin, and background red. Okay. Now we are going to set the minutes. Height 112 20 pixel and width 5 pixel. Okay. Background color white. Now we copy them and reset the hour. Height 100 pixel, width 8 pixel, and background color orange. Okay, yeah, we made a good design. Now let's move on to JavaScript for the clock to work. First, let's define the variables. Query selector, hour, minutes, okay, seconds. Now we will create a function called display time. we call the new date function. Firstly, we define a variable called date. Let date new date function. Then divide the date get seconds function by 60 for seconds and multiply 360. We will do the same for minutes, but we will do it with the get minutes. Right, 60. And finally for hours, but here we are going to divide the get hours function by 12. Hours get sorry. Okay. Now let's set how many degrees the values will rotate with transform rotate. Seconds, tile, transform. We use tablet literals, rotates, and second value, and minutes, minute value, and sorry, minutes. Okay, and we use set interval to set how long its function will take to run. We are going to run once a second, so we are going to write 1000 milliseconds or 1 second. Display time. And finally, we are going to call our function. Sorry about that. Okay, and finally it happens. We made a nice and simple analog clock application. As you can see, it works successfully. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my channel.